So we're at tapas and beers.
Sarap.
What's that?
Lobster base.
Oh, it's good.
Lobster.
It's
Lobster base.
kulang na lang ng bread. Ay, ito bread, no? Just bread. I have this burger. I don't know if it's going to be good. Two Angus burgers. I don't know how it tastes. I think it's good. Kasi parang pizza eh. Ito yung gusto kong gawin sa bahay lang. Parang feel ko mabilis na gumawa yan.
Yeah.
Because you have oven.
Hap.
Yeah.
Hap.
Love.
Ito lang.
You gotta taste it. I don't know.
Ano order mo?
Smash burger.
Mm.
2 Angus pies. 2 Angus beef. Taste test.
Best of ko. Ano? Good ba? Mm.
It's soft. It melts in your mouth.
Ah,
Wow.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Uy.
It melts in your mouth.
Sikat
Like,
ba?
it's like the Gordon Ramsay burger.
Ah, talaga?
Ang lambot niya, like sobrang lambot.
Mm.
Diba? Like what?
The best burger.
That's new.
Sarap.
$22. Not bad.
Sarap siya.
Kasi nga kapag natin yung para yung bala ko sabi yung Ninja Sizzle Bro
What's
sa
that?
bahay. Yung Sizzle, pwede gawa ng burger doon.
Ah.
Gawa ka ng burger.
Sarap. Buti naman mayroon ka
Yung
lang.
burger masarap.
Sarap na. Sarap ito. Sarap na burger.
Ah.
Fairness ha. Sarap ng burger. It's fresh.
Yan, sarap ng burger.
Sarap ng burger. Itong burger.
Yeah.
At least nakapili pa rin yung masarap. Nakakabahan ako sa'yo.
Yeah.
Saan mo dito? Ayoko na dito.
Wala na ko lang. Wala masarap. Ayoko naman sa madami kasi, you know, gotta watch my diet.
You want? Taste ha?
Lobster.
Lobster base. Sarap.
Parang hindi ko kaya kainin na dire-diretso. Kailangan may bread talaga.
Kailangan may bread ka.
Hindi nakakumay, kapag sa madami.
My brain check.
Ang fresh ng burger.
Yeah.
Something new.
Yeah.
Aesthetic ng mga ganito kailangan.
Yeah.
First time to do new.
Saffron powder lang yun, no?
With cheese again.
Ayoko na, ano?
Gusto ko sa mga ganito.
Patry mo to. Yan, masarap na yan. Basic lang, oh.
Masarap sa ganito. Ang ganda nila.
Kasi tapos kasi nila parang ano eh.
This is a nice one.
I mean, I have nothing against truffle, pero I just don't like the smell. Or the taste, rather.
I get that one. Salads are good.
Ang good.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
French ba yung may lap? Mga French, no?
Ano? Sabi niya, bonapit eh. Hindi ah. Ito French. French, US, and Italy, Spain.
Punta ka ng France, diba? Ganda.
Maganda pero madumi.
Ang talaga.
Ang daming museum, ang daming theater, pero ang dumi ng tubig. Ang dumi din.
Diba inayos na nila yun? Yung nagkaroon ng Olympics?
They try to fix it, but you know, people got sick on the river. See yung Sinai River? Sinai? Yeah.
Bakit? Kasi doon na.
Some open water kasi. Siyempre Olympics eh.
Kaya naman kayo ng food.
Kadiri. Tab 2028 Olympics. LA. Los Angeles lang.
Kaganda.
So in short, sa 2028, 26 sa 2028, maraming tao dito. So LA, for sure, marami din sa San Diego. So in 2028, year of the LA.
Junior? I was Oh, that's Mark Ballard.
Okay.